I hated myself. I was very insecure. I've partnered with UniWigs for about a year and 5 months now. I believe the difference it really makes. The day that I wore my hairpiece, I found that no one could tell, and I got compliments from family, from friends. They're like, oh, you're wearing like a wig today, or you're wearing a hair topper. And I just love to make a difference, to share it, to spread out, for people to know that like you don't have to wear like wigs that don't look realistic, or you don't have to go along and not have anything on and just, you know, try to cover your hair loss and stuff. Like, there's alternatives like these, whether that's like hair toppers or wigs. And I do love the hair toppers because the hair toppers just look really realistic looking. I've always struggled with hair anxiety from when I was young, because I had hair loss from the age about like roughly 15. I would try to cover up with powder. I would try to cover up as much as I can. I felt very insecure. And now that I know that there's hair pieces like these and that UniWigs provides these hair toppers, I don't have that problem anymore. And it really did change my state of mind, because I used to be I hated myself. I was very insecure. I find that I've come to accept it more. It took me a while to get there, but eventually I did. And I guess wearing the hair toppers did make a difference, and wigs and stuff. I found that I became more confident. I found that I would have more excitement, really, because I'd be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna curl my hair today, or I'm going to straighten my hair today. And also, from taking the before and after photos, I found that helped me. Like, that helped me in the process. It helped me to be more accepting with myself. I think that's important for a lot of women to know. Yes, you're wearing hair toppers to feel like you again, but I think it's important for ladies to know that you are beautiful without it. A warm advice that I would give to a young girl that is struggling with, you know, hair insecurity, as been there myself and understand what that's like, I would let her know that to not be so harsh on yourself. And there's some things that we cannot control in life. And the only thing that we can control is what we do about it. If you are struggling and you're finding it hard, resort to hair toppers. And also just remember that you are still beautiful and it is not your fault. And just remember that and keep reminding yourself. That's what I would say to a young little girl. And it's something that I wish I said to myself growing up and wasn't so harsh on myself.